Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Up with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you right now the Forever Gold Specialty Designer Series paper. This is in the new catalog, and I've shown you some of the other paper, designer series paper, but this deserves itself. This is in the, let's see, I think it's the Forever Fern stuff. Forever Greenery Suite. Yeah, the Forever Greenery Suite. Gold laser cut specialty paper. You get 3 sheets, 2 designs, 3 sheets of each design, so 6 pages. This is one I've already taken some out of here. Let me get a full sheet. Oh, and you also get tissue paper. So this is one. You get some labels here, you get a wreath, you get some leaves, bunch of leaves, things like that. Now, let's see. I made this card out of one. Let's see if you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, and the second design is really, I think, probably the coolest. Let's get those out. These are card fronts itself. Now they're not 4 by 5 1/4, but let's put this one over here because I used a couple already. They're just beautiful. And the great thing, there you go, and I use this, there's 6 different designs. Oh, not that one, where's the other one? Oh, there we go. And the really cool thing about this, especially with these, is you can flip them over and use the Whisper White side and stamp on the Whisper White side, and then with some of the little ones just have the gold showing out. Can color them with these, the ones on here, you could color with your Stampin' Blends. There is so much you can do with these. Now, just what I did with them, let me put these back. One thing is you have to be very careful with them because they do crinkle and rip. So that's why they put them in between 2 hard pieces of cardboard. But again, here it's just some of the ones I did. There you go. Now, how I glued these on is I layered my multi-purpose liquid glue on my silicone mat, and then just laid this on top of them, and they glue down really fine. Pull it up and glue down really fine. So, and they go with our gold foil sheets too. So, thanks for visiting. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything is down below to get this. Thanks for visiting, and bye-bye. Happy stamping.